Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope so you all will be fine and having some of your best time. Let's move on towards the higher time frame picture of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Altcoins, and later on we're gonna discuss some of the other stocks as well. So first of all, let's have a look on the Bitcoin. What actually happened on the last few days, last few weeks. It's pretty clear. We have already given updates on that. Just have a look over here. That we just gave the update on 21st of December. Technically this scenario is almost there. That's why not in higher trend position. And the scenario was that I was seeing Bitcoin coming back towards $38,000, $39,000 like over here. And also later on, you guys can see over here that we were actually having a bearish bias that we're gonna retest the lows of 40,000 that went towards 38,000. And after that I tweeted on January 23rd that GM went back after 4 days. BTC seems like bottoming here for nice relief. Slow grind starts for a long upside here. And 23rd was this one, yeah, this week. And if you want to see the day, this one was the day. This one, Tuesday 23rd January. So exactly at bottom over here. So this is just an example. We have already done that several times. So let's move on to higher time frame picture without wasting any time. So what actually Bitcoin did over here is that it basically took an SFP over here from the upper side, came back below towards the FEG, and that was the FEG when I tweeted that Bitcoin is filling FEG. If it wants to remain bullish, this is the time. So same happening over here. Now we just want our weekly close above this level, almost like $48,000 level. The weekly close above $48,000 will definitely lead it to $60,000 in the coming weeks, in the coming days. What this will do after that is something like this, something like this, something like this. So this is a weekly picture for me after the closure of Bitcoin about $48,000 on the weekly time frame. Let's move on to the lower time frame. What I'm looking right now is the Bitcoin is pretty bullish on the daily as well. Same like you guys can basically have some rangings. Rangings means like something like this over here. Swept the highs, came back down, swept the lows, went back up above the ranges, can retest the ranges and go back up. So it's pretty simple. On the lower time frame, 1 hour, I think so. There was a chance to long over here, but I was sleeping. That was a very prominent and a great setup. Also this FEG was there. And had a very good reaction on that. Have some orders over here, some orders over here, some orders over here. So that was really a great setup, but unfortunately I was sleeping. So let's move on to what's actually happening now. I think so some more chop, people thinking new lows and goes back. So this is what I'm thinking, to be honest. Let's move on to some of the other coins like Ethereum. I want to keep this update very brief, very clear to the point. Ethereum, this is my update since months, maybe, yeah, probably since months, since we have tried over here to break that resistance. I'm still looking for $3,000, 3.7 K dollars, $3,000 and $3,700. I'm looking to target on that. Buy over here and sell on the next leg up. No, don't sell on the next leg up. You guys can basically take profits, some of the profits on the next leg up. Let's move on to some of the other altcoins. ING USDT, I'm currently long and I'm in for the 100k challenge as well on this one. And this is my setup. I'm looking for minimum of $37 and up to $38, $39 depending on the new high over here. So this is my setup on the INJ. I'm not gonna talk a lot about this because setup is pretty clear. ARB, last few weeks we had a brilliant update on this one. Last few days, like this one, this was very clear, but unfortunately I was busy in a few personal matters and we closed it. We just punted our stop loss to break even over here, and this was taken out over here, and this went straight up to 25% onto our target almost. So a little bit discomfort with myself, but we're gonna make it back because we saw the setup first time. We're gonna saw the setup second time as well. So let's move on to some of the other altcoins like XRP. Let's have a look on XRP on the higher time frame. I think so this will still do something like this. I don't know why, but straight up from here. Seems like XRP can do that. Just not because we have a diagonal trend line going over here, because I want to see a sweep of this as well from. Actually, this was our lower high, and we haven't swept that. Actually, I want to see a sweep of that above $1. FTM. to be honest, this coin can do wonders in 2024. A candle like this, a weekly candle can give you like, I think so, 35%. Yeah, something like that. I think 35% is highly probable on this coin in the coming weeks. Probably mid of this year, this coin can just boost up. Yeah, really, this can. And woo, I think so the time has come. We have holded this coin since weeks, since months, and I think so if you guys ever get a chance over here, just accumulate. This will straight away go towards $1. Some of the other altcoins, Solana, just have a look. Oh, buying a spot bag of Solana, those good days. So just have a look over here. Solana, I'm still looking for $143,000, $143 level, not $143,000 levels. So probably all of the altcoins have almost same structure, like filling up the previous order blocks. This I missed it by inch. No, it failed. It actually failed. Just tried that and went back up. So a lot of coins are still heavily bullish on the higher time frame and probably making new higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. So a lot of coins are doing this, so better go with them. Let's have a look at any other altcoin. Like what we're gonna look at over here is KSM. No, that's still far way lower than we actually expected. Yeah, this is one of the best coins, but still at pretty lower points. Velocity in the long term, this can do wonders. Let's move on to our favorite coin, Trias. We are holding this from $1, and this is at $13 right now. I think so this is a kind of time where this will chop a lot before moving towards the new highs. Will chop a lot, like low caps can do like this, chop a lot, and when the market turns bearish, this might turn bullish. So these lower cap coins can do anything, to be honest. So let's move on to some of the other altcoins. ADA, I never traded that since it was $2.8. So yeah, any other altcoin, there are a lot of new altcoins like TIA and other coins. Those have moved very good and they're still moving. Yeah, oh nice, look at this. This might be a nice chance to move to the upside. Yeah, this might do this. The reason is it's below the previous higher time frame that value a high, as well as just took the liquidity from the previous FEG as well. So this might do something like this. See, and yeah, this coin can do wonders, like go to $1, $2, $3 on the higher time frame. Not on the higher time frame because the fundamentals say so this is a very good coin, to be honest. Very good coin. See, same like SUI that have already played a vital role and still making highs over highs every single day, and I think C will follow SUI. SEI will follow SUI in some time. So this is update about these two coins. Let's move on to SPX. Let's move on to SPX. New all-time highs. Also on the Bitcoin, I think so. The way these stocks just did a muted all-time high, BTC can do that as well. Bitcoin can do that muted all-time highs as well. Like do something like this, go over here, just take a sweep and come back. So muted all-time high is still highly possible, like possible, because when the price will go around $60,000, there will be a huge FOMO that we are missing the Bitcoin next leg up. This is going to $100,000, and yeah, that will be a muted all-time high. Not much people will be happy with that, but yeah, the people holding their spot back since weeks, months will be very happy. So this was just a small Bitcoin, Ethereum and some altcoins update after weeks. I just came back to my proper routine in last few days, and probably gonna have the same routine until end of this year. I will be updating every week on the YouTube, every day in the Discord, every day on the Twitter. So let's make some money together. Also, I'm going to accelerate my 100k challenge very soon, and even from today. So I'm just looking for more trades, looking for the best trades. Hopefully you all will be having a very great day today. So let's meet some other day. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye bye.